Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to enter referral code on Temu. To enter the referral code on Temu, you can simply open your Temu application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are logged in, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the options, tap on Coupons and Offers. Here, you'll be able to see 3 tabs. You can redeem unused coupons or referral codes, used coupons or referral codes, or expired coupons. Now, simply go ahead and choose one of the tabs and enter your coupon code or your referral code in the text box. After you are done entering the referral code, tap on the Apply button on the right corner and you'll be able to enter and redeem your referral code on Temu. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.